Jupuary, I think they call it Jupuary. January and Jupiter mixed together is here, and Jupiter is giving away tokens to those that have used their platform in the past. So I've got the official links, and I want to demo how you claim an airdrop and talk about some of the pitfalls. So we'll get into that. This little website has a really bright young man talking about Jupiter. It's pretty cool. You might want to check it out. Okay, so in order to claim this airdrop, you need to sign up for an account, which you will associate with your email. That's before, I believe you were just able to connect your wallet directly. Now they want you, they want to be able to blast out to you and that kind of stuff. But yeah, so I'll just go ahead and sign up. I'll use my Google account. I'll use my CryptoDad email. And done. Not a big deal. All right, now I want to connect my wallet. I like to use Solflare rather than connecting the Ledger directly because my Solflare wallet is managed by my Ledger. So I've used this wallet before. Now, if you are like, hey, what the hell is he doing? But basically, it's like I was doing in MetaMask. You hit plus, and you can connect your Ledger and, connect your Ledger device and create an account that's managed by your Ledger, right? I'm not going to do that because I've already done it. But let's stick with Ledger Flex. I'm pretty sure this wallet would be eligible. So I've got Solflare open, and I have the correct wallet active, right? So let's go back. All right, so we're going to connect my wallet, and like I said, instead of using the direct Ledger, I'm going to use Solflare. So we'll hit Solflare. We have to authorize this in the wallet, and we're probably going to need to be in the Solana app at some point. So let's do that. Let's go Solana. All right, so I'm ready to roll. I'll get this out of the way while we're working. I'm going to authorize it here. Oh, it says it right here. Connected. I'll view allocation and link. Oh, okay, there we go. Oh, right, I got 250. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for using Jupiter. We hope you enjoy your allocation. Okay. Now I link it, right? That down here. Now I'm probably going to have to do something when I do this link. Let's hit link. Sign message. Okay. Using Ledger. Yeah. Okay. All right. Now we approve with the wallet. Error linking wallet. Okay. He did mention in that very dramatic video that the Solana blockchain is really busy right now and that it might be a better idea to wait until things cool off. All right. But I'm never one to do that, right? Let's try it in a different browser and see what happens. All right. Let's connect the wallet. Let's do Solflare. Let's connect. All right. Let's view allocation and link. There's my allocation. Let's link again, see what happens. Come on, baby. Using Ledger, yeah. Oh, there it is. Boom. Review transaction. All right, there's the transaction. And hold to sign. And there we go. Signed. Signed, sealed, and delivered. Okay, now I got to claim it. All right, so let's hit claim. Claim and stake or claim only. I'm going to claim only. Come on, man. They were like, please stake. I'm like, no. All right. Okay, here we go. We need to authorize here. It's going to cost me 52 cents worth of Solana. I need to review. There we go. Hold and sign. Boom. Okay. All right. Oh, look at that. Jupiter. $234 worth of Jupiter. Ah, Yeah. That's pretty good, huh? $243 worth of Jupiter tokens. 250 Jupiter tokens. I could have staked them. I can still stake them if I want to. Yeah, so I could stake my Jupiter again if I wanted to. But not bad. I love it. Yeah, it took me a couple. It wasn't bad. I think when I connected to Brave, it went right through. The first time I connected the wallet and attempted to link it connected to the device and asked me to authorize on the device. Now, if you weren't doing this with a device, it would have been a little simpler. You had less steps if you're just using a standalone Jupe wallet, Solflare wallet. You could also use Phantom Wallet. Any Solana capable wallet will work. But guys, airdrops can be tricky. If you want to claim the airdrop, use that link that I put down in the description. This is the official site. Don't get sucked in. Oh, yeah. What I wanted to point out was just today I got an email message from somebody claiming to be the Jupiter AirDrop, right? So look at the email. It says Jupiter Jupuary event selected at substack.com, right? It's a scam email trying to trick me into clicking their malicious link to go claim my airdrop. If I say look safe, will the button come back? Oh yeah, see, there's the button, right? That's the button that would take me to a malicious website that would probably drain my Solana wallet, because I would authorize. See, when you claim an airdrop, you do have to do an authorization. And if you're on a malicious website, your authorization is giving them permission to take all of the Solana and all the Solana-based tokens out of your wallet, right? That's a malicious smart contract. So always be on the alert. And if you're going to do an airdrop, make sure you're on the official website for the airdrop, right? A lot of people get greedy, get rushed, and they do something silly without taking their time and making sure they're doing everything correctly. So please, guys, I could sell those tokens right now. All I would have to do would be to swap it, right? So if I wanted to swap my Jupiter token for Solana, I could do that right now in the wallet, right? That's 0.93. And then I could sell my Solana token on Coinbase.